an elegant and easy French twist secured with hairpins. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Then wrap your hair up and around 2 fingers. Use this loop of hair to twist and pull the hair up. You should feel your ends slowly incorporate into the twist. Depending on the length, you can either tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them upwards. Now use this loop to anchor the French twist to where you want it on your head. Start with where you are holding your hair, and with your fingers as a guide, use the hairpin to catch some of the twisted hair in the end of the forks, and then flip the pin to catch some of the scalp hair, pushing into place to secure. You can use as many pins as you need to achieve a secure hairstyle. You can experiment with where you start your ponytail and the tension you use in your twist to create your ideal French twist hairstyle. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.